Hey, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through the process of scanning a QR code in the Binance app. Now, let's dive into the Binance app. To begin, open your Binance app on your mobile device. If you don't have the app yet, make sure to download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you're in the Binance app, locate the icon in the top right corner. Tap on it, and it will open up your camera. This is the QR code scanner within the Binance app. Now, you can use the camera to scan any QR code you need. Whether it's for accessing your wallet, transferring cryptocurrencies, or any other actions requiring a QR code, this is where you do it. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to scan a QR code in the Binance app. It's a quick and easy process that allows you to perform various actions seamlessly. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel for more Binance tips and other cryptocurrency related content.